Hey guys, someone asked us about LinkedIn for real estate broker. We are an e-com company, but we have two clients that are running LinkedIn ads right now for specific lead generation efforts. And I'll tell you some of the tips that we found that helped us the most, right? We're testing obviously the ad copy, short, long, medium, different headline variations, whether we got big bright ads, video ads, static ads. Most of what we're running right now and seeing the most success in with lead generation are both lead gen ads, obviously, and then conversion ads that go to a website that are both sponsored content. We have some text ads as a retargeting that's just a top of mind awareness type thing, but we really don't have high expectations from those because of their size. They're super small. What I want to talk to you about today is the targetability of LinkedIn for businesses. It's unparalleled, right? It's absolutely incredible what LinkedIn is doing now for businesses. And what I would say is you need to start with targeting first. Right? It's so different than Facebook. It's so different than Google. Start with your targeting first. We've run into a few situations already where we've got this phenomenal ad, we've got the copy, we knew exactly who we were going after, and then we got to LinkedIn and the targeting wasn't there. So what we did instead of that is we went through and we found all of the demographics, all of the job titles, all of the groups, the member groups in LinkedIn are phenomenal and you can target within them. Go to the targeting, look at the options that you have within your industry, right? So if you're looking at real estate, there's homeowners, there's new families, there's age ranges, there's different zip codes that you could use, all sorts of different things on LinkedIn that you can do. So what I would say is go on LinkedIn, find the audiences that apply, write all of them down, whether it's a spreadsheet or on a notebook, it doesn't matter, but write all of them down and then build ads for those people, right? Now, what we found in our testing over the last 6 months is video ads work amazing on LinkedIn, right? Similar to YouTube, they need to be a little bit higher produced, but video ads on LinkedIn, video series generate leads. So what we found is a 5-video series of through a video ad, bring them over to a landing page to collect their lead or flip it around on a lead generation ad, collect their lead, doesn't matter. What we're seeing is the video series sell great. So if you're a real estate broker that wants to tell their story, go find your target market, right? Where are you gonna advertise to? Make one for men, one for women, make the ad look like that person, right? And then tell the story through a video that points to a video series on how they could achieve the same thing, right? Whatever it is that you're trying to sell. So go find the targeting, make an ad for that specific target, and then drive them over to a video series. The other thing that we've seen recently is shorter copy works better on LinkedIn. We've tested copy that's pages long, we've tested copy that's 1 sentence, and the 1 to 2 sentence range, sometimes with a little click here to see more on the bottom, works the best for us.